how the Igbos came, and where the mythology, where the arrow mythology and different things came up. When Henry came down from Chukwuabiama from up, so they were standing on the ant hill. So he complained to Chukwu, said, I'm very uncomfortable with what's going on. What is happening here? So it was said that somebody from Oka was sent to come and drain the land. So they were able to settle down. And throughout his lifetime, so when Henry died, that supply from Chukwuabiama stopped. He complained that by dying, famine. And God told him, just like he told Abraham, kill your firstborn son and your firstborn at but Henry said, how can I kill my first son and first daughter? Yes. Chukwu again sent Onyoshi from Igwe to come and now make scarification mass. He saw the children with the image and got angry and then killed them and buried them. After about 12 days, he now saw something sprouting where he buried his son and something sprouting from where he buried his daughter. And he now dug and found yam in the place he saw. And he cooked that yam, shared it with his family, and went in very, very deep sleep as if he was in a coma. And that when he now woke up, he now went to the place they buried the daughter and he harvested cocoyam. So that gave the two crops, yam, and cocoyam for the woman.